Hello everyone! Today we'll be unboxing the Volume 7 Trendmood Box. So let's begin. Now this isn't a subscription box, but they do come out with it maybe once a month or sometimes even more depending on who they collaborate with. And their boxes sell out really fast, like in the first couple minutes. So I was able to get this, so let's see what's inside. Okay. I really like the leaves they added on. These faux leaves. It's reminding us of the season change. It's really cute. Okay. So, the first item in this box and the item I'm most excited about is this Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Serum. Yeah. And it has deep hydration and glow. That's what it's good for. It's a new product that Glow Recipe launched. So I'm really excited to try this out. I have their other products as well, and I really like them. This brand is vegan. They try to make their products natural. So I really like this brand. And they have really cute shapes for their bottles as well. So let's see what this one looks like. Okay. Visibly plump skin with juicy plum and hyaluronic acid. Okay. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's supposed to imitate a plum. It's really cute. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it has this pump application to it. It's really cute. Okay. That's the first item. Okay. The next item is this Bosia Berry Blend Smoothing Facial with 28% acid complex. It's like a, yeah, face mask. Okay. Oh, there's this thing on the side. This, what's it called? Spatula-like thing. Helps you pick up the product and put it on you. Let's see. Let's open this. Oh, come on. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, this is what it looks like. It smells interesting. So small particles in there. Okay. Now, let's move on to the next product. The next item is this highlighter stick, I think. Bubbly Bee is the name. It's by Nude Sticks. It's a Nudies Glow All Over Face Highlighter. Okay. Oh, it has a brush on one end. Okay. Okay, cool. And this is the highlighter. Oops. Uh-oh. Oh my. Okay, let's see the color. Okay, it's a really pretty color. It's like a rose gold. It's a bronzy gold. Yeah, it's pretty. Okay. The next product is also from Nude Stick. And this is a lip glaze. Okay. And it's in number 8. Okay. Okay. This is like it's what do you call this shade? It's a dark burgundy, like, it has brown in it too. It's not just red, it's brownish red color as well. Kind of like a gloss. It's kind of like a lipstick lip gloss combination. Okay, this one actually smells really good. It smells like peppermint, so if you like peppermint, I think you'll like it. Okay. The next item is this Becca Cosmetics. What is it? It's in the shade Red Store. What was this? Oh yeah. It's a light gleam primer and topper liquid eyeshadow. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's like this two-sided thing. Let's see. So the base or primer is this brown color. And then the liquid eyeshadow is this bronzy gold, rose gold. It's more bronze color. That's what it looks like. And I think you're supposed to put it on top of the primer, so let's try that. Let's see what that looks like. Okay. It looks fine on its own. I mean, unless you want to blend it in to create like more shadow, like a smoky, bronzy look. But yeah, it can be a nice shadow like on its own. It doesn't have to be a topper. It's thick enough. Okay. And they have this card in here that talks about the new glow recipe product. Okay, and there is one last item in the box. Let's see what it is. It is this Ploys boarding pass, first class. What is it? Let's see. It's a lip combo. Okay. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, comes in this really cute pastel pink packaging. Let's try this lip liner. It's the first thing. Okay, it's this brown color. And the lipstick, oh, it's magnetic. That's cool. And this is like a nudie brown as well. It's a light brown. Let's see. Oh, it's very, very light. It's a peachy brown, very light nude. You definitely need to have a liner for this, because I think it's going to be too light for a lot of people. Yeah, you can use this to make ombre combinations on the lips too. Yeah, I would use it to combine it with other colors. Yeah, but I really love the magnetic packaging. It's really cute. Okay, well, that's the last item in the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.